So I've got a Toyota Corolla 2 litre diesel, 135 miles, 1,000 miles on the clock, and I've got a cold start issue with the car. It cranks for about 2 seconds and then starts. So, however, the warm start is fine. Once the engine's hot, the car starts perfectly. Now I've checked the That's the fuel primer here, the diaphragm pump, temperature, fuel temperature sensor. I've got a diaphragm pump, and you pump that manually, and that helps the cold start enormously. So that immediately suggests you've got air in the fuel. Overnight it's leaking in air. Similarly in the fuel tank, when I remove the fuel tank cap, I think I used to get a hissing sound, but I don't get that anymore. So that suggests there's an air leak as well. There's no pressurization in the fuel system. So I'm pretty confident the electrics are spot on. Glow plugs are fine. And I'll now show you the sound of the car when it starts during a cold start. Ignition on. Wait for the relay to go click. About another 20 seconds. Just gone click then. I normally give it 2, but it's not cold today. I'll start it now. This is what it sounds like. A lot of hesitation on that, but it wasn't too bad a start. I have put dg245 diesel fuel system cleaner through it and Shell V-Power diesel. I've had that running for 4 weeks. That has improved it a bit, but I'm concerned that there's air leaking into the fuel lines. Because the warm start, it's very fast, the warm start, very quick. And if there is a leaking into the fuel lines, it means it's putting pressure onto the fuel pump. So it could compromise the fuel pump. So I'd like that checked. Here's a new filter. Seal on the back side, a seal on the top side. I think Toyota haven't fitted it properly. You've got to put the right pressure onto it. Not too much pressure, but enough pressure to seal it. You can hear a faint hissing sound. You can hear a hissing sound. And when I clamp off the fuel return pipe, the pipe that takes the excess fuel from the engine to the fuel tank, when I clamp that off, the hissing sound goes very loud. So I believe there's a leak in these pipes here somewhere, but I can't find the leak. I don't know how to find the leak. Maybe you might have to do a pressurization test on the fuel lines, or it could be the fuel filter is not being fitted properly. That's just giving you an introduction to what the problem is. Okay, cheers Nick.